curious, have you ever wished that you could react in your group chat with a hilarious gift or meme of yourself doing something crazy without actually having to film it at all? Well, I have found the ultimate cheat code to actually make you the absolute legend of your group chats. Let's get into it. You guys can see what it looks like now, right? So that is my face on Tom Holland, okay? Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce you to what is known as VidMage. We're talking about AI face swap online. Instantly transform your photos and videos. This is actually pretty cool. So you can actually explore their AI tools. So we're talking about photo face swap, we got video face swap, we got multiple face swap photo. So you guys, let me show you how fast that you can actually make any type of, let's say, viral gift or a short video, and you can instantly make it literally all about you. All right. So very top, you guys are going to see we have this login. We're just going to go ahead and put that right there for email. And that is all we got to do. Right. And then after that, we got to go to our Gmails, and you guys will see right there is the code, right? We're going to go ahead and copy this. Then after that, as I said, you go back and you just kind of paste it. That is all you got to do. Right. So there you go. We are logged in. All right. So the first thing that you actually want to do, you guys, in this case, we're actually going to do a video swap. Right. So there's going to be a lot of things that you can actually do. So we're going to go to do right here. So which is that video face swap. And you guys will see right here, we have this little process. So technically you got to upload a video, then an image, and then you're going to do the face swap. And that is all you have to do. Alrighty guys, so really quick, I want to show you the video that we are about to use so you guys can kind of compare. Not only that, right after we do the video, I'm going to show you guys the face swap, okay? So let's go ahead and just kind of play this really quick.
In real life, and people are like, oh my God, your wedding photos are gorgeous. And I was like, babe, they're AI. They're not real.
That is actually Zendaya. Someone was talking to her about some wedding photos, and she was all like, that was AI. It's not real, right? So kind of a perfect example to use. Now, right after that, you guys will see we have a picture of Emma Watson just kind of staring off. And then after that, we're going to end up swapping faces with my face, right? So Emma Watson, you guys are going to see exactly how this looks. And I have to admit, you guys, you're absolutely going to love it. So first, you want to do a short, you want to do a gift. We're going to do this little video right here. Then after that, we're going to upload a image, right? We're just going to upload an image of ourselves. You can do a funny image. You can do whatever you want. We're just going to do one right there. Boom, easy and simple. Then after that, we're going to do a face swap. So you just got to, I stated, just upload a short, right? Upload a face, and then you go right here, and that's all you got to do. So I want you guys to understand, I mean, while it's amazing technically for long videos, it's absolutely incredible for creating lightning fast, highly shareable micro content. So you guys, you can already see this, right? So let me go ahead and let's play this real quick.
In real life, and people are like, oh my God, your wedding photos are gorgeous. And I was like, babe, they're AI. They're not real.
All right, so you guys can see exactly how easy and simple that is. So I also want you guys to understand, I mean, there's a lot of other things that you can actually do here as well. You can download, right? We even have the AI video face swap made simple. So it actually shows you exactly how everything works. It shows you down here how to place, or let's say replace face and video online. We got creative ideas with AI video face swap, right? So there's a lot of different things that you can actually do here, right? So it's going to be kind of the same thing for doing photos, right? Photo face swap. You guys will see right here, technically you can upload an image, right? Pretty easy and simple. And then upload a face image, right? Well, let's do Emma Watson picture. That is what we're going to do, right? So pretty easy and simple. We're going to do that one that we just picked, right? And that is all we got to do. And we're going to do a face swap. What you guys understand, I mean, this is definitely going to gain a lot of attention. Yeah, you guys can see exactly how that works. All right. So technically, you guys, this is the ultimate way to personalize your communication. All right. So why send a random GIF when you can actually send a high quality AI generated masterpiece of yourself like that right there? It looks absolutely beautiful. And best of all, you guys, it takes literally seconds, as you guys just saw, right? So meaning that you can actually generate these on the fly right in the middle of a conversation, right? So there's a lot of things that you could actually do, all right? So you can save all your swap faces. Very important you guys understand that. You can actually save them right here in the platform. You can make it even faster and generate new memes the next time that you actually log in. This is a perfect AI tool, especially for effortlessly turning yourself into a customized, highly shareable reaction GIFs and stickers literally within seconds. All right, so you guys can see that over here. A lot of things that you could do. We even have AI video. There's just so much here. All right. Alrighty, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. As you guys saw, that was pretty fun. So if you're ready to actually completely take over, let's say your group chats or let's say your social feeds with some custom memes, then please click the link down below and take a look at VidMage for free today, and you can actually start creating. Not only that, be sure to smash up that like button, smash up that subscribe button, leave a comment, and stick around for the next video.